Zander today. I'd like to show you some of the lures and the different techniques that we're going to be using. And the weight is already predetermined to match the paddle tail. To fish and search for fish in the water body up and down fluid. Whether it's Zander or it's Tracer, it's hard to tell. Anthony, he just dropped that cannibal lure on a banana we saw on the echo sounder, and immediately the lure was hooked on the way down. So here you'll see a nice sized Zander come up with that cannibal lure, just engulf. There we go. Right on the cannonball. There we go. So, vertical jigging and jig and spin for Zander with soft lures. Are you enjoying it, Anthony?
Loving it, mate.
That's great.
Brilliant.
Let's put them back.
Okay, dude.
Oh, there was one right there. 600 grams, it's less than 2 pounds, but really, really beautiful. So there's really a lot of action going on down there. Beautiful.